Hi, my name is Nellie. I'm the assistant manager here at the Barkley, and today I'm going to be showing you one of our one bedrooms. This is apartment number 208, and it is located upstairs. So right when you walk in, you're going to walk into your living area. This area is carpeted. You do have a sliding door here that leads out to your balcony, which has a lot of space for your patio furniture or for a grill. Now, as you look over this way, you are going to see your dining area. So the dining area does have the hard surface flooring, which looks very nice, and it is so much easier for cleanup. You do have a very big window here that lets in a lot of light. If you look over this way, you'll be able to see your kitchen. So the kitchens do have a lot of cabinet space, as you can see here. And then you do have a pantry here with some more space. You do also have a lot of counter space, as you can see here. You do have a breakfast bar. And then your refrigerator, gas stove, and dishwasher do all come included. All of our units do have the central air and heat. As you walk over this way, you will see the entrance to your restroom and bedroom area. So here you do have a linen closet, your sink area, and your restroom. As you come back this way, you'll have the entrance to your bedroom here. Now this bedroom does have two closets, so you do have a lot more space in here. So one closet there and another closet here with the mirrored doors. Walking over this way, do have a window here. And there's a lot of space here in this bedroom. So again, as you walk back out, this is your restroom area, and then out to your living area and kitchen. So this unit is available for immediate move-in. If you are interested, you can apply online today.